Hi, baby Silas. Baby Silas is looking at the star. He loves that star. Is he cooing? Oh, yeah. And smiling? Are you smiling, baby Silas? You love that star, huh? Yeah? Should we make it go again? What's baby Silas doing, Noah? Oh, don't step on his foot. Ooh. Look at how big he is, Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, and there's Noah. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. And aunts and uncles. Hi. Sit up. Oh, he's laying down. Say hi. We're just hanging out, making a video for the Zelenas and the Kovals and the Strolos. Aunts and uncles and grandma and grandpa. Say hi.